turn off my heat. You feel me? You feel me? Alright, you guys. So change of location. Ooh, I'm so sorry. That was horrible. I don't like skin. Like. So we're gonna start with episode 1 of the Build It series. So the way I actually had planned to do this was I was going. Wow, my voice always cracks like a little puberty boy. It's fine. The way I originally wanted to do the series was to I'm brain farting. The way I originally wanted to do the series was I wanted to have episode 1 already a part of my little intro message that I, posted probably by now. But then I was like, yo, that's already like almost a 6-minute video, and maybe 6 minutes if I add more to it. And I'm just like, I'm not gonna add both and then have it be this 15-minute type of spill, because I feel like who wants to watch 15 minutes of me? Hi guys. Okay, so today I'm starting to clean my basement and I'm looking crazy, but I want to do a basement series. I want to turn my basement into an office space for my mother. Well, her cake office space, because she has all her cake stuff downstairs, but it's a little bit it's a lot ratchet, let's be real. And then I want to turn the other half or the other section into a photo studio. I'm super excited. I'm home for 5 weeks, but I've already killed about 2 weeks, so we got about 3.5, 4-ish weeks to get this basement on fleek. Shout out to my skin, it's clearing up and my eyebrows are finally trying to be cute a little bit, so that's how I know 2020 is going to be the year. Alrighty, I'm going to show you guys clips and snippets of the basement right now. So I'm also doing laundry, which is so funny. We are in the basement. As you can see, it is super dark, it's getting super grainy, and of course the filmographer in me wants to like finesse my settings right now, but I want this to be a raw, almost documentary type of style. Shout out to my double chin and the blurriness, but let's swap it. So when you come down here, this is what you pretty much are getting. There are stuff everywhere. My sister's old furniture set. You're getting, so this side of the basement is like my mom's cake side, and I'm only doing this to show y'all the before so that way y'all can see the after. Yes, my footage is shaky as hell, but you know what, I'm multitasking. I'm doing laundry, I am cooking right now, I'm doing it all. We're gonna first get rid of this. I almost fell. That needs to go, but I wanted to show y'all the raw version. Can we talk about the fact that I must turn the camera. Can we talk about the fact that when I first got here, the basement was super clear, super clean. Now it is just crazy because of Christmas. There's Christmas stuff everywhere. It is a mess. As y'all can see, this is going to be the photo studio. Yeah. This is not it. So yeah, I wanted to give you guys some raw uncut footage because this series is going to be legit. I'm kind of talking and kind of paranoid because there are guests, there are people, there are family home, so I don't want to sound crazy talking to myself, but it's all good because I do that anyway. Alright you guys, so I did a lot today and I'm bending down. I'm just putting this on like whatever. Sorry, I look like a 5-year-old boy, but I'm not sorry at the same time. But I got a lot done today, and honestly it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. I really thought it was going to be a lot more hectic. I'm still washing a lot of like the curtains and like just extra things that were consumed in a pile down here. Again, this is not even me trying to be like my family's hoarders. This is literally just me trying to make my dreams come true and create the space that I really need to create. And I'm so determined, I'm so excited. I was listening to Manifestation Babe. It is a my aunt. It is a podcast on Spotify and just in general, so I recommend you listen to Manifestation Babe. What's her name? Catherine Zenkina? I don't know. But she's this person. Hey, it might not focus because I didn't set it, but it's fine. But that's what I've been doing. So tomorrow I plan to wake up a lot earlier and
that was weird. I plan to wake up a lot earlier and do a lot more down here, like a lot more. Really work on the shelvings and the shelves and stuff like that. Continue to throw out more clothes. My mom actually gave me the okay to get rid of more clothes, so I'm so happy that my mom is like really starting to like let a lot of things go. Hashtag Caribbean parent to be like. But yeah, it looks pretty good, so I'm gonna give you guys a few shots of what it looks like a little bit now. Again, this is nowhere close to perfect, but it's also closer to perfect. You see what I did there? So as you can see, now there is like all of this open space down here. I actually took out a bunch of clothes from the laundry bins. So now we have empty laundry bins, thank God. The treadmill has all those bags that I need to get rid of. And this is just all the open space that I'm standing in right now. But there was a whole bunch of clothes on the floor. These are high chairs for the kids. But I do like that I put all the bins over here right now because it just really makes a lot of sense. I know it still looks a little like wonky and ratchet, but I promise you guys, like, it's a lot better. You can actually walk through here now. There was a lot of stuff even like blocked here, but my goal is to just take everything off of these shelves tomorrow. Oh, y'all thought it was done? I had to come back and show y'all the full outfit. Shout outs to my skin. Okay, what? This is the outfit. We're gonna do like a little 360. Got the name necklace. Y'all peep that? Do y'all peep it? Y'all peep it? I don't know if y'all peep it. Y'all won't even believe where I got these jeans from. These are like the bad. Why do I still have my seatbelt? Can y'all tell I'm a goody two shoes? And then this is my jeans outfit. Y'all peep that? Look at them jeans. Abercrombie. I never messed with them because they was prejudice AF. You tell I'm feeling myself. Oh my God, and the shoes. Y'all, I hope I don't know. It might be kind of hairy. We're not going to look at my arms or my legs.